finished training with a good friend, Andre Big Swole Mcshan, and let me tell you, we killed it. We ended up hitting the chest and triceps today. So I wanted to share this video with y'all. It's a few clips from our workout. Sorry I wasn't able to get the whole workout recorded. I ended up leaving my memory card at home. So I'll have some more workouts, posted, some workout videos posted here soon, so just watch out for that. But for now, I just want to say thanks to Andre. He's been a huge inspiration and a great friend, and we've been pushing each other as hard as we can, getting ourselves ready for our next competition. So watch out and be ready, because big stuff is going to come from us this year.
What's up, everyone? Today we hit chest and triceps, and we started our workout off by doing 2 warm-up sets of incline bench press. From there we did 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. After that we went to dumbbell bench press, 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps, and then dumbbell rotating bench press, 4 sets and reps to failure. From there, we went to triceps and started them off with some overhead extensions, 4 sets, reps to failure. After, we went to cable pushdowns and we did the same, 4 sets, reps to failure. From there, we went to overhead barbell extensions, 2 sets, reps to failure, and we finished our workout off with some abs, with some hanging leg raises, 2 sets to failure. Then we went to weighted side crunches with the dumbbell, and we did 25 reps each side. And after that we did 2 more sets of captain's chair, and we did that 2 sets to failure. Now for some clips of intensity. Here we go.
Forfeit the game before somebody else takes you out of the frame and put your name to shame. Cover up your face. You can't run the race. The pace is too fast. It just won't last. You love the way I look at